The Toyota Supra is more than just a sports car. It's a name that carries speed, culture, and legacy. Today, we're taking a deep look at the Toyota Supra MK5, from its factory form to why it has become a modern street legend. At first glance, the Supra MK5 looks aggressive even in stock form. Its long hood, short rear, and wide stance give it a true sports car profile. The sharp LED headlights and sculpted air intakes are not just for looks. They help manage airflow and cooling at high speeds. Under the hood, the Supra MK5 hides serious power. It's equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and strong torque. This setup allows the Supra to go from 0 to high speed quickly, making it just as comfortable on highways as it is on racetracks. The perfect balance between power and control is what makes this car a true driver's machine. Step inside the Supra and the focus is clear. The driver comes first. The cockpit-style interior wraps around the driver. With supportive sport seats and a clean digital dashboard, every button and control is placed for performance driving, making you feel connected to the road at all times. What truly makes the Supra MK5 special is its massive modification potential. From simple visual upgrades to extreme performance builds, this car can be transformed into anything: a clean street machine, a drift weapon, or a track monster. That flexibility is why the Supra dominates car culture worldwide. Born from legendary engineering and pushed beyond factory limits, the Toyota Supra returns stronger, louder, and sharper than ever. Under the hood, precision meets power. Tuned for maximum response, every throttle touch delivers instant adrenaline. The stance is aggressive. The exhaust speaks confidence. Every detail is built for performance, engineered, not accidental. From the carbon accents to the wide rear grip, this Supra is designed to dominate the road and shine on the track. It's not about speed alone. It's about control, balance, and raw driving emotion. This is what happens when passion meets performance.